Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at comparing fractions. So we're going to look at how to compare fractions with different denominators. So to compare fractions with the different denominators, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your fractions have the same denominator. And how you can make your fractions have the same denominator, you do that by making your fractions equivalent. So if you didn't watch the previous video on what equivalent fractions are and how to get them, I advise you to go and watch this video. Alright, so let's say we want to compare 2/3 and 1/4. As you can see, the denominators are different. We have 3 on the first fraction as the denominator, and we have 4 on the second fraction as the denominator. So what you do is you make sure that 2/3 and 1/4 are going to have the same denominator. So our denominator is 3 on the first fraction, and on the second fraction it's 4. So what you will do is you will multiply these two denominators, cross multiply. The first fraction you will multiply by the denominator of the second fraction. So our second fraction is 1/4. So we're going to multiply the first fraction by 4. So we do 2 times 4, we get 8. And 3 times 4, we get 12. Alright, so now our new equivalent fraction for 2/3 is 8/12 or 8/12. Alright, now we go to the second fraction, which is 1/4. So to get an equivalent for 1/4, we multiply by the denominator of the first fraction. So the denominator of the first fraction was 3. So we're going to do 1 times 3, we get 3. And 4 times 3, we get 12. So now we have fractions that have the same denominator. The first fraction that is equivalent to 2/3 is 8/12. And the second fraction that is equivalent to 1/4 is 3/12. Now, when your fractions have the same denominator, to find out which one is bigger or smaller, you just look at the numerator. The bigger the numerator, the bigger the fraction. So on the first fraction, we have 8/12 and 3/12. So 8 is bigger than 3/12. So we would say 8/12 is greater than 3/12. Right. So remember, 8/12 is equivalent to 2/3, and 3/12 is equivalent to 1/4. So your final answer, you will write 2/3 is greater than 1/4. Alright, so that's how you make equivalent fractions. Remember, you first make your equivalent fractions by cross multiplying with the denominator of the fractions. And then once you have the same denominator, you compare the numerators. The bigger the numerator, the bigger the denominator. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about comparing fractions. Bye.